Good afternoon, class. After good day, class. Alright, so we're looking at basic science for basic 4, that means primary 4. And our topic on the board is eye defect. What's the topic on the board? Eye defect. Thank you. Alright, so at the end of this class, I expect you to be able to define eye defect, be able to differentiate between short and long-sightedness, that's the types of eye defect, and then you should be able to explain how they can be corrected. Alright, now let me ask you, have you seen people with eyeglasses before? Yes. Alright, do you have parents, maybe parents before they read their books, you see them wearing eyeglasses? Have you seen anything like that? Yes. Alright, so now, if I should ask you, why do you think they wear glasses? Yes?
Because of the sun.
Because of the sun. Okay, you tried, that's correct. Yes?
Probably they can't see very well.
Very good, because they can't see very well. Alright, clap for them. Okay, now, eye defect simply means eye problem. Eye defect means eye problem that causes the eye to malfunction. Alright? Can you all read for me what is eye defect?
Eye defects are eye problems that cause eye malfunction.
Thank you. Alright, so everybody look up here. Can you carefully observe? Alright, Amina, please tell me what can you see on that chart?
Okay, I can say short-sightedness, myopia. That means, okay.
Then, my friend, what can you see?
I can see long-sightedness, and the drawings I can see this tree is far off from the other one.
Thank you. Can you clap for them? Alright, so we already know what eye defects are. Now we have types of eye defects. We have so many of them, alright? But for your level, we are going to look at only 2. Okay? So we have the short-sightedness, which is also called myopia, and the long-sightedness. Which is also called hypermetropia. Alright, Emmanuel, what are the 2 types of eye defect?
That short cycles and we have long cycles.
Very good. My friend, what's another name for short-sightedness?
Myopia.
Myopia. Grace, what's another name for long-sightedness? Hypermetropia. Now I'm going to explain to you what they mean. Short-sightedness simply means the person or the individual can see close by objects clearly, but they cannot see far objects clearly. Do you understand?
Yes.
Short-sightedness simply means the individual can see close by objects clearly, but they cannot see far objects clearly. And this can be corrected with the use of a concave lens. Something like this. We have it in the lab. Maybe in the next class I'll take it to the lab. So we have something like this. This is a concave lens. Now, look at this picture here. This is short-sightedness, right?
Yes.
And this is the eye. Now, when the eye is viewing an image, the retina, where the image is formed, is viewing it upside down. Okay? Now, myopia, like I said, the person can see close by objects clearly, but cannot see far objects clearly. This is what happens. When the person is viewing an object, the image is formed before the retina. This is the retina. So when the image is formed before the retina, the person cannot see far objects clearly. Alright, now how can we correct it? When you place this concave lens in front of the person's eyes, the image will now be corrected and be placed on the retina. So when the person puts on the glasses, he can see both close and far objects clearly. Do you understand? Yes. Now, long-sightedness. This is when an individual can see far objects clearly, but they cannot see close-by objects clearly. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
They can see far objects clearly, but they cannot see close-by objects clearly. How can this be corrected? By the use of a convex lens. It looks like this, just like you have it on the board. Now, this happens because the image is formed behind the retina. Look at this person viewing this tree now. The image is formed behind the retina. That's why the person cannot see close-by objects clearly. But when you place this convex lens in front of the eye, and the person is viewing this image, it will be corrected and be placed on where? The retina. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, auntie.
Alright, so let me just go right again. Eye defects are problems of the eye. They cause the eye to malfunction. The types are short-sightedness, which is also called myopia, and long-sightedness, which is called hypermetropia. Now, this can be corrected with the use of a concave lens. When you place the concave lens in front of the eye, the image will be formed on the retina. While long-sightedness, when the convex lens is placed in front of the eye, the image can then be formed on the retina. Any question? Do you all know? Okay.
Auntie, when I stay in school for too long, my eye will be turning me and I cannot see clearly. Does it mean I have eye problem?
No, that's okay. No, you don't have an eye problem. That's simply hunger. When you eat, you'll be able to see clearly. Any other question? I told you we have so many eye problems, but these are the major two we are looking at because of the level. Yeah?
When I'm looking at the book, too much. Yes, tears are coming out. So does it mean that I have a short-sightedness?
That's another type of eye defect. Alright? Okay. So, any other question? Alright, that means we understand. So I'll leave you with this home form. Let me just ask you. What is eye defect? Yes.
Eye defects are the eye problem that cause the eye to malfunction.
Thank you. Eye defects are problems that causes the eye to malfunction. Yes, Aisha. Can you give me the types of eye defects?
Short-sightedness and long-sightedness.
All right. Grace, can you explain to me what is short-sightedness? Yes, you tried, but you mixed it up. All right. Yes. Can you explain to me what is short-sightedness?
Short-sightedness is when you can see an object closely, but if it's far away from you, you can't see it clearly.
Very good. Can you clap for him? All right. Yes. Can you explain long-sightedness?
Long-sightedness is when you can see objects far away and you cannot see the ones that are.
Very good. Clap for